In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to back up your Canva design project. This is a simple and straightforward process that ensures that all of your hard work remains safe and accessible no matter what. Whether you're preparing for a presentation, saving your design for future edits, or sharing it with someone else, having a backup is always a smart move. To get started, once you've finished creating your design in Canva, head to the top right corner of your screen. There, you'll notice a button labeled Share. By clicking on this button, you're opening up a variety of options that allow you to share and save your work as needed. This feature is where you initiate the process to back up your project. After clicking Share, you'll see a series of options. Among those options, there should be one labeled Download. This is a critical step in ensuring that your design is saved directly to your device, where it can be safely stored or transferred as necessary. Once you click Download, you'll be presented with a few settings. One of the most useful features here is the flexibility to choose the type of file you'd like your design to be saved as. You might see options like PNG, JPEG, or even PDF. For instance, if you need a high-quality image for print, choosing the PNG format may be your best bet. Alternatively, if you simply want a quick visual for digital use, a JPEG might suffice. And if you're looking to preserve all the design layers, a PDF could be ideal. Selecting the appropriate file type is crucial, so take a moment to consider what you need it for and pick accordingly. After choosing the file type, you're just about ready to download your design. Double-check everything looks good with your selection, and when you're satisfied, go ahead and click on the download button again. This final step will save your Canva project to your device. Depending on your internet speed and the size of your file, it may take a few moments. Remember, always ensure that your download location is somewhere easily accessible, perhaps a preset folder specifically for your Canva projects or a dedicated section on your cloud storage. This way you make sure your projects are not only backed up, but also easy to find when you need them again. And there you have it. You now know how to effortlessly back up your Canva design project. Keeping your design safely stored is an essential part of the creative process, allowing you to focus more on creation and less on worrying about potential data loss. Stay creative and feel secure knowing your work is backed up.